Hello everyone, I am Professor Amit Vyas, Computer IT Department from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic is direct address and indirect address with one another topic is common bus system for basic computer register. So we can start that. First of all, we can show about some of the definition of this part. What is the instruction code? Instruction code is a group of bits that indicates the computer to perform some specific operation. So, what is the instruction code? Instruction code is a group of bits that instruct the computer is perform a specific operation. It is called the instruction code. Then second is operation code. The operation code of the instruction is a group of bits that define such operation. It means some addition, subtraction, multiply, save and complement. So what is the operation code? Operation code, it means the group of bits is defined some specific operation is performed. For example, we can show that some addition, subtraction, complement or any other else. Then one definition is accumulator. What is the accumulator? A computer that have a single processor register usually assigned to the name is called the accumulator. And accumulator is a one label. It is called the AC. So this is some definition of computer and computer organization. So the next is direct address and indirect address. So we can start that. Here we can show one diagram. This is the direct address and this diagram is a indirect address. So what is the direct address and what is the indirect address? We can show that here 0 will be indicate here. Here is indicate the 1. It means 0 is indicate some direct address and 1 is indicate indirect address. Then after we can show that this is the any number. Here one number is 457 and this is one number is 300. So this address of number is directly connected one operand code. Here one number is 300 is not directly connected to any memory reference. So this is operation is directly connected. So it is called the direct address, and this is the not directly connect. It means it is called the indirect address. Also, we can show that one short term. So this address will be directly connect some operand code, and this address is not directly connect operand code. So this is called the direct address and indirect address. We can show that what is the direct and indirect address in short term. The second part of the instruction format is specify the address of operand. The instruction is said to be the direct address. And what is the indirect address? The bits of second part of the instruction is degenerate and the address of the memory word, which is address of the operand is found. It means the second part, this part is directly not connected. So this is the indicate the address and this address will be indicate operand code. So it is called the indirect address. So now the next topic is some register and symbol of name. This is the importance part of the computer organization. We can show that here the number of register is occupied. What is the DR? DR is a one data register and symbol is used for DR. So many number of times you can use only for DR and that is used for the data register. What is the function unit? Hold the memory operand operation. Then next is AR. What is the AR? It is the address register and its bit size will be 12 and it is used for the hold the address for the memory. Next is accumulator. It is a importance. Its bit size will be 16. This register name is accumulator and it is used for the processor register. And IR. Next is IR. What is the IR? Instruction register. Is bit size will be 16. What is the function unit? Hold the instruction code. So what is the function of instruction register? Hold the instruction code. Then next is PC. PC means program counter. The bit size will be 12. What is used of the use of PC is hold the address of instruction. The next is TR, temporary register. Bit size will be 16 and used for hold the temporary data. Next is input and output. So input register and output register bit size will be same. It is 8. All it is used for the function is hold the input character, hold the output character. Why will be size will be same for input and output? Because if the any address of the input will be 12, then output will be 12. So here fixed register size of input and output will be 8. So this is the important function. Symbol is important in our computer organization. Because of any other diagrams we can use for, if you use for accumulator, then use the symbol is AC. It is used for the data register, you can use for DR, and also we can use for bit size and all the function unit. So the next topic is common bus system for computer register. So what the common bus system for basic computer register? We can show the first of all the diagrams of a common bus system. The diagrams is, this is the diagrams of the common bus system for basic computer register. We can show that one common 16 bus system. Here we can connect it. This is one memory unit. This is the bus system. We can provide the 3 input will be S0, S1 and S2. Then one is ALU. What is the ALU? Arithmetical logical unit. Then we can use the previous list. What is the AR? We can use. What is the PC? What is the DR? And then IR and TR. So this is the all the sort functionality of the memory unit. We can directly connect on common bus system. So we can show that the memory places its 16-bit output onto the bus system, where the read input is active for S2, S1 and S0 will be 1, 1, 1. 4 register is used. DR, AC, IR and TR have a 16-bit. We can show that here. DR, IR, AC, TR, we can 16-bit. And next, 2 register AR and PC have a 12 bits, since there can be all the memory of address. Then next, 5 register have a 3 control input: load, increment and clear, and 2 register have only load input. So we can show that here. As shown in diagrams, output will be load input. So read and write operation is performed in the memory unit based on the arithmetical sum operation is directly performed. If you address, then indicate the arithmetical operation. So next is the input register and output register is a 8-bit and communicate with at least a significant bit in the bus. So finally, input and output will be provide the 8-bit. So this is the common bus system. Now we can show that the instruction format. So what is the instruction format? 3 types of instruction format: memory reference instruction, register reference instruction and input output instruction. In memory reference, up to 0 to 11 is a address bit and remaining 3 will be opcode and last will be I. Then register reference instruction 0 to 11 is a register operation, remaining 3 bit is a 1 and last bit will be 0. This 0 is indicate of I. It means I equal to 0. Then last input output instruction 0 to 11 is a IO operation, remaining 3 bit will be 1 and last bit is I equal to 1. So this is the instruction format. Now we can show one short description here. So what is the description? Each format have a 16 bit. We can show that 0 to 15. It means 16 bit of each format will be common. The operation code. It means opcode part of the instruction is contain the 3 bits and meaning that remaining 13 bits is depend on the operation code of counting. A memory reference instruction use the 12 bit is specified of some address. In memory reference instruction we can specify the 12 bit will be address bit and the address mode will be I. So we can show the address mode will be I. I is equal to or direct address or indirect address. So what is the indicator of I? I is indicate direct address or indirect address. Direct address is indicate 0, indirect address indicate 1. We can show that here starting. This is the direct address indicate 0. Then this is the indirect address is indicate 1. So now the next is, so this is the direct and indirect address of the memory reference instruction. So 12 bits will be address and then operation code and then I is indicate 0 and 1. 0 is indicate the direct address and 1 is indicate of indirect address. So the next is the register reference instruction are recognized by the operation code is 111 with the 0 the left mode of bit, and a register reference instruction is specify the operation or a test of AC register. An operand from the memory is not needed. Therefore, the 12 bits are used for the specify the operation or test to be executed. So what is the register reference instruction? It is indicate the 12 bits of register operation, then remaining 3 bits will be 7 and 0. And finally last is input output instruction. What is the input output? It does not need for the reference to the memory. It is recognized by the operation code with 111 with 1 is a left mode of instruction. Remaining 12 bits is used for the specify the input output operation mode. So this is the input output instruction. We can show that and I is indicate 1. So we can show one direct address, one definition first of all, then direct address and indirect address. This is some sort explanation. This is symbol of register. This is the importance. Then next is common bus system. Then instruction format. So thank you all of you.